Good morning, it is November 17th, which means it is my birthday. I am 25 today and we just drove a long ways to breakfast. I'm not quite sure where we're going. Marcos has the day planned out. Oh, there's a giant bush right here. But I'm so excited. I can't believe that I'm a quarter of a century years old.
Caught in an action, I can't rewind on. And in my head, I'm screaming, but out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way.
All right, we drove into Tampa to go eat here. We've never eaten here before. Daily Eats. I'm excited. He said that I'm gonna really like it. Like he's got, oh gosh, this is so embarrassing. He's bringing these presents inside. All right, we're sitting inside because outside there's a wait to sit outside and we have a busy day ahead of us, but ooh, it looks good. All right, look how good these eggs Benedict looked. And he got grits. Ooh, it looks so good. That's one of my favorite breakfast foods, and this place had a lot of different variations of eggs Benedict. Marcos convinced me to order a mimosa, a desert pear mimosa, and it looks pretty interesting. I don't know, I've never had this flavor before, but it looks good. Oh my gosh, I mashed the seeds. It's good. It tastes like a Jolly Rancher, actually. It tastes like Jolly Rancher. They have grits here too, and the grits, he's saying, we went to Atlanta one year for my birthday. Actually, oh my gosh, for my birthday, wow. And he said that they taste like the grits we got there. All right, let me try. All right, open my little presents. All right, we just finished up breakfast, which was actually so good. I really like that place. We're definitely gonna come back. That was probably one of the best eggs Benedict I've had. Like the bread that was on it, or the bread that I chose, it came with multigrain bread, but I got sourdough instead, and it was amazing. Now we're off to another place. I'm not sure where, but Marcos is excited. And it is a beautiful day. This is my first birthday in Florida with warm weather because obviously my birthday is in November, so usually it's freezing by the time it's my birthday and I have to wear like a sweater dress or like something very warm because it's usually so cold out. We usually go into Boston where it's really windy. And it's so funny too because this whole week has been like 60s, 70s, and today is 80 degrees and sunny, so just in time for my birthday. But I'm loving it, and there's like new places we get to try, new places we get to see versus all the other stuff we've already done back in Massachusetts. And we stopped really quick to get my birthday coffee. I get the most expensive coffee on my birthday because it's free, of course, so I got that. Okay, we are at our next destination. I'm still not quite sure what it is. Something with like fish or turtles or something. What is it? Oh my, this is great. A little overexposed, but oh, I'm so excited. It's so nice out.
Is this where I check in for the Dolphin cruise? Thank you.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Dolphin cruise.
Yes, please.
I hope we actually see some. So excited. I thought we were seeing like sea turtles or something. I don't know. Like I thought it was an aquarium of some sort. Where are we going? Right this way. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope we actually see some.
Should.
We're on the boat. We're waiting to go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So he did a fishing trip here, and on the way back, the dolphins were riding the boat waves of their fishing boat. So hopefully, well, because he's already seen dolphins here, I'm sure we'll see some.
Now this particular area that we're in right now is very, very good fishing for these dolphins. There's a lot of fish traffic that come in and out of here. They're around here quite often.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, that feels so good. The sun, I feel like I haven't felt the sun in forever because I spend every day working. So to sit out in the sun feels so good, and the boat ride is so peaceful. Thank you. Just touring the waters, looking for some dolphins. Luckily we saw that first one already, but hopefully we'll see some more. So the tour guide was saying that these boats actually get left here because a storm comes and swipes them out, and the owners can't afford to bring them back in because it's actually really expensive, and so they just sit there for years until someone cleans them up. It's so shallow right there.
Kind of coming towards us a little bit.
Oh my gosh! Where did he go?
Might be crossing over. Yep, he's right here.
There he is.
Oh my gosh!
See him in the water. Look right here. See him? Look. You're gonna come out. Right there. He's right there. He's still right here. He'll be coming up.
Still under. Oh, I lost
Right
it.
there. See him? There's two of them. There he is right here. Two.
Oh yeah, there are two. Alright, we came to the dog park to let the dogs get some energy out because they're kind of going crazy. Look at him. There's another little dog here. So cute. You guys playing? Good girl, Riley.
Go get it. Go get it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, also, for those of you who don't know, I guess I didn't make a video about it, you wouldn't know on YouTube, but we got another puppy. This is Maya. She's an Australian Shepherd. She'll get to about 25-30 pounds-ish. And her and Riley are now sisters. They get along good. They're still trying to figure out how to play because she nips and Riley is gentle. But she actually used to be smaller than Riley when we first got her. Now she's 10 pounds. She's got lots of energy, so we came to the dog park. Alright, we got some takeout. I got a poke bowl and he got a sandwich, I think. We came to have a little picnic by the water at just barely sunset. Look at this view. So beautiful. Yeah, the little pups are not happy about not continuing the walk. They're like, what is going on? Right, Maya? See, we kind of adopted her, kind of not. There was a mom that had an accidental litter and couldn't keep the puppies, and so if nobody took them, they were gonna go to the pound. So we met her and loved her. Now we got a little Australian Shepherd puppy. Okay, we have since gone home and changed. Now we are going to dinner at a Greek restaurant. I'm so excited. I love Greek food. I didn't know we were here until we got here. We like to make each other's birthdays a complete surprise. So I'm super excited because we've been dying to try this restaurant. You excited for some Greek food?
I am very.
Ooh yeah.
Hoping they have some good stuff.
So weird too because my birthday's on a Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, so it's kind of empty. Like there's no nightlife right now because it's the middle of the week, but it makes it less crowded for us, so I'll take it.
You messed it up. You won't believe
Thank
what
you.
we saw.
Alright, we came out to eat. My cousin surprised me. I did not know they were here. Here comes the bird. Ooh, looks good.
Very nice right here.
We just got the cheese you just saw. We got a glass of Moscato. I actually used to work at a Greek restaurant too.
One, two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That penmanship on the plate's better than mine on
I
paper.
know, it actually is really good. Look, they put little balloons on it. That's awesome. Oh, it's so cute. They have this little bakery over here. Thank you. Thank you. Just have this little bakery over here with ice cream and goodies. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this case keeps going on forever. Oh, they keep getting bigger the further you walk down. Oh my goodness.
That looks amazing. That does look too.
Look at this.
This place is packed. Holy cannoli, look at that thing. It's like the size of my hand, almost. Okay, we just got back from dinner. That was so good. I am so stuffed. Like I said, my cousin surprised me. I thought it was just gonna be Marcos and I because it's a weeknight, so I thought they were busy, but it was so awesome and I'm so glad that they could come celebrate with me. I am just so excited that I was able to spend my birthday in nice warm weather this year and get to spend the day outside. It was so awesome. So thank you to Marcos, my boyfriend, for putting this whole day together and really putting the effort in to my gifts and to this whole day and making it truly special. Today was honestly just a great day. It's so crazy. I'm 25, a quarter of a century years old, which is kind of crazy to think. I'm excited. I'm excited with where I'm at and who I got to spend the day with and everything we got to do. So thank you to everybody who took the time to wish me happy birthday and to celebrate with me. I am so, so appreciative, and all your birthday wishes mean the world to me. But thank you guys so much for celebrating with me. Comment down below if this is also your birthday so I can wish you a happy birthday as well. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!